Well, let's see what we do, because the market can only do one of two things. All right, throw all that away up till now. The market can only do two things. One is it can rise. Well, of course, any idiot can win if it rises. This is the one we need to worry about, because I'll tell you why. Let's say there's a 50-50 chance it's going to rise or fall in the next 3 months, 6 months, 12 months. Just 50-50, because we're not here to gamble that, oh, it's definitely going to go up, definitely going to go up. So if there's a 50-50 chance, there's a danger if you step out of the market, you miss the rise, and there's a danger if you go into the market, you hit the falls. Well, my stocks will, if they fall, not fall as far and will recover sooner. How? How do I know this? What is it about the balance sheets of the companies I'm dealing with their cash flow, their working capital? How do I find this information quickly? How can I analyze 8,000 companies like this, get the information and know which ones, and then go smell the roses and play with my son? Okay, they'll recover sooner and more quickly because there'll be a flight to safety. Basically, my stocks are the ones that the rest of the world goes into if the market falls, and they're the ones the rest of the world goes into if the market rises. What are they? Well, I'll tell you more importantly. I won't just throw you the fish. I'll teach you how to fish. That's the important thing about investing. I'll teach you how to fish. Magda from Poland, my fellow European.